What's up guys, welcome back, King here. Today we have this new toy here. It's the WLtoys or WLtoys 12402 ARC monster truck. From its packaging, it's pretty decent. This car is given at 1/12. It's a 4-wheel drive. And it can go up to 45 km per hour, which is impressive for just $110. Guess we'll have to check out later and see. Now, let's unbox it and check out what's inside. Okay, so we got a yellow car here. It comes with a USB battery charger, a tire changing tool, a manual which is written in English so you guys can read it, and also a 2.4 GHz standard WLtoys gun type controller. The car itself is around 38 cm long, 27 cm wide and 19 cm tall. I would say it's indeed quite big for its scale. It's got a lesson shell, a cockpit with some details inside, and a hardtop cover. Its tires are soft. It seems like it can crawl over some rocks, but let's test that out later and see. For its suspension, it has this independent suspension for all the wheels. But it does seem a bit bouncy since it's just using this friction shock. Well, let me give it a test. Well, I would say this suspension is not bad, but it could be better. What it has inside this car is the full-size servo with metal pulling rod for proportional steering. It has the 550 brush motor and a metal radiator included. It also has the metal drive shaft and metal wheel differential. You see? The ESC and receiver of this car is actually sealed inside this little black box here. You can also see the antenna over here. Oh, it actually has a port ready here for you to plug in your own LED to serve as the car headlight. That's pretty impressive. Guess I will do that later as well. The battery of this car is actually placed in a pretty strange location. It's actually accessible only from the bottom of the car. So you have to lift the car and open it from here. So you just pinch that thing and you can open the cover. Yeah, that's the battery. For me, this location is really convenient since I don't have to open the car shell just to change the battery. The stock battery of this car is actually a 2S 7.4 watt, 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. Now let's get it charged before we go for our first run. Oh. So I say this car in overall is pretty much worth its price. It has enough power and its parts are good enough. It has metal parts. Just that its suspension will need an upgrade for better performance. If you are interested to get one, you can check out the link in the description. Do not forget to like this video, share it, and leave a comment below. Also, subscribe and ring the bell to stay tuned for more RC videos. See you in the next video. Bye.